In this video, I will be showing you how to find Snapchat friends you deleted. So all you have to do is to launch your Snapchat application, tap your profile, and then scroll down and look for this My Friends. Tap this one, and then let's just say I'm going to delete one of my friends here. Okay, I'm going to delete Abdul Blida. I'll just go to manage friendship and then tap this remove friend, tap this one and click remove. And as you can see, my friend is now out of my friends list. So in order to see or in order to find Snapchat friends you deleted, obviously you can see it on your friends list. Okay, so what you're going to do is to go to add friends and search the name again. Make sure that you remember the full name of your friend in order for you to add him or her to your friends list again on Snapchat. Okay, click accept friend, and then that's it. That's how easy it is to find Snapchat friends you deleted. You can go back to my friends again to see if that person accepted your request or if that person is already on your friends list. Because once you deleted your friend here on Snapchat, you cannot see him or her on your friends list. So you need to add him or her back to your friends list again. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.